In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a transparent title in Canva step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Transparent text is a simple but powerful design trick that can instantly make your thumbnails, presentations, social media posts, and graphics look more professional and modern. Whether you're designing for YouTube, Instagram, business branding, or personal projects, this is a feature you'll definitely want to master. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account using your email, Google, or Facebook login. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and projects. Next, click on any file of your choice. This can be an existing design you're already working on, or you can start something brand new by selecting a template or choosing a custom size. For this example, we'll open an existing design so you can clearly see how the transparent title effect works on real content. Once your design opens, look for the title or text element you want to make transparent. In this example, click directly on the title text in your design. When the text is selected, you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the Canva editor. This toolbar contains all the formatting options for your text, including font style, size, color, spacing, and effects. Now with the title text still selected, look at the top toolbar and find the transparency button. This button is represented by a small icon that looks like a checkerboard or faded grit. Go ahead and click on the transparency button. After clicking it, you'll see a slider appear. This slider controls how transparent your text is. By default, the transparency is set to 100%, meaning the text is fully visible. Slowly drag the slider to the left to reduce the opacity. As you move the slider, you'll see the title becoming more transparent in real time. Adjust the transparency level according to your needs. If you want a subtle, professional look, try setting the transparency somewhere between 60 and 80%. If you want a softer, more blended effect where the background shows through more clearly, you can lower it even further. Take a moment to fine-tune the slider until the title looks exactly the way you want. And that's it, your transparent title is now ready. You can repeat the same process for any text element in Canva, whether it's a heading, subtitle, or decorative text. This technique works great for thumbnails, posters, presentations, and social media graphics. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.